I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Kadence Blocks Form. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select an action. Registration. Choose an action type. Map the respective fields. You can send notifications by checking the box. Choose here the WP user role. You can check the box for auto login after registration. You can also map here meta field. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Now click on Save. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to the user's dashboard. And here you can see after the form fill up the new user created successfully done. Thanks for watching.